Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Real quick one today. I was tidying up my little sharpening station, and I bet some of you already know what this started out as in an earlier life. Bench hook, shooting board. But I moved on to some other things for that, so this is what we use it for now. I put myself a little non-skid pad down, and I've got my 300 1000 diamond plate, sits there. I've got my 180 diamond plate, which I have stuck my leather strop to the back of. I have room for my David Charlesworth ruler. I have room for honing compound for the strop. And I sort of just use this upper ledge for the eraser and the lapping fluid. So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Another topic in this video is a quick tip. What do you do when your leather strop is packed with honing compound? It's all green or black or red or white. It's all packed. Well, this is clean now because I just cleaned it. You get yourself some sort of straight edge. It could be a card scraper that you take a file and just get a filed edge. It doesn't have to be a perfectly honed edge, just as long as it's square and sharp. It can be a chisel corner, okay, the corner of the back of a chisel. It can be the side of a plane blade, but the safest method is a card scraper. And all you do is you scrape the leather clean of the honing compound, okay? That leaves you a nice clean surface for charging it the next time you need it. So there's a tip for you. Some people always wonder, I keep putting on the wax, I keep putting that on here. Well, what do? Throw the leather away when it's loaded? No, you clean it. Another shop tip, and I shouldn't be giving these all away in one video. If you have the ability to take something like this off your bench and tuck it away under the bench where it's not going to have any debris fall on it, that's good. If I were to mount this strop, which I might do, to a piece of wood with a hole in it, I could hang the strop up on a hook, a nail, hang it up. I could also take this, if I had a cabinet to put it in, and just stand it up vertical in a cabinet. Why would you do all those things? Well, if you're in a dirty shop environment, let's say you have a bench grinder nearby, or the Taylor Toolworks drill press sharpening system, and it's next to the drill press, you're going to get grit and debris landing on your leather and mixing in with your compound and messing up your stropping. So you want to keep it clean. So look at that. A bunch of shop tips all in one short video. I'm so glad you stopped by. I hope something I mentioned here is helpful to you. And like, subscribe, and share. And may you have a blessed day. Walter out.